If you are a private candidate taking your O levels again this year, what you absolutely need is structure. So for all of those students who took your O levels last year and didn't do so well, and this year you're retaking as a private candidate, the main difference is that you no longer have a school support system to back you up, which means that every single week you used to go to school and the teachers will actually plan out the entire curriculum, what you needed to do by when, revise what topics by when, and actually set exams for you so that you can go and take the exams and know your standard, right? So this year, the main difference is that you are going to be all alone by yourself, and it is up to you to take charge of your learning before this final O-level paper this year again. So to help every single one of you out, I have come up with this package called the Library of A1 Math Academy, which I designed in mind to help independent learners just like yourself study. And I'm going to be explaining in this video over here how this library actually supports you and your learning needs. So first and foremost, we actually have a roadmap for every single level as well as for private candidates, whereby I planned week by week what topics that you need to cover, and in the roadmap itself, I link the topics to the specific links within the portal where you can go and watch all the video lessons and do the associated practices with those topics. Now, this daily practice will all be reflected inside the roadmap, and you just got to show up and execute just like what you would do in school normally, but now the only difference is that you are at home. And apart from this, every single month we have checkpoints where you can do the topical as well as yearly test papers that we have set for ourselves and our students at A1 Math Academy and uploaded it into the portal. Do it and send it to us through WhatsApp, and we will turn around and mark it for you within 24 working hours and send it back to you. And this comes with all the worksheets that are inside the portal. So essentially, when you get the library as a private candidate, you will also get our 24-hour turnaround marking service where we will personally mark and review your work for you, and there's no limit to this. So it really comes down to how driven you are, right? The more driven you are, the more worksheets you do within our portal, the more we will support you. And last but certainly not the least, for all library subscribers, we also invite every single one to come down to our physical center for our yearly WA, mid-year and end-of-year papers, right? So depending on where you live, if you live near our center, which is in Chinatown, and you are able to travel, then what we'll do is that we'll invite you to come down and take our papers that we set for our students this year. And every single year, as long as you're a subscriber of the library, actually take the exams and get feedback on your learning. What private candidates really lack is structure and a sense of direction, and this library solves two things. It solves what to study because we have filmed video recordings for every single lesson, for every single topic from Sec 1 to Sec 4, and also when to study, which is solved by our roadmap where we list down every single thing that you need to do every single week and to keep you up to pace before your O levels. For more information on this library, you just need to WhatsApp this number over here, and I'll send you two things. I'll send you a demo link to show you exactly how the portal looks like, how the UI looks like, as well as an info kit to give you more information as to what to expect in addition to the library, such as our value-added services like our 24/7 turnaround marking service. So with that said, WhatsApp this number over here, private candidates. I'm on your side, and let's score that A1 together this year.